student, how are you? Today I will discuss about chapter 4 quadratic equation. Now I will use QE instead of quadratic equation. Is it clear? Okay. Now first question is that what is quadratic equation? What is quadratic equation? First question arise that. So if I write ax square plus bx plus c, so is it quadratic equation? Think about it, yes or no. So no, it's not a quadratic equation. It's a Q for quadratic polynomial. Now beauty is that when I equate ax square plus bx plus c quadratic polynomial equal to 0, now it's converted into QP to QE quadratic equation. Now it is a quadratic equation. So remember that if any equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, it's called a quadratic equation, where one thing is that a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Now coming 4.1. So first question is that check whether following QE or not. Means following इक्वेशन जो हमको गिवन है वो QE है या नहीं. So first question is that x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 bracket x minus 3. So firstly I will solve the whole bracket. So x plus 1 whole square in the form of a plus b whole square. So we all know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now x plus 1 whole square is converted into x square plus 1 square plus 2 1x. Now x square plus 1 plus 2x, it is a one side, and another side is 2x minus 3. Now multiply by 2 in whole bracket. Now x square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 2x minus 6. Now change the side and transfer. So now plus 2x and plus 2x is different side, so 2x is cancelled. So whole equation is minus 6 come this side, so plus 6. So whole equation is converted into x square plus 7 equal to 0. So x square plus 7 equal to 0. Now compare the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So here a is 1. So now this equation is QE. Yes, proved. So first question equation is QE. Now I will take question number 7. X plus 2 whole cube equal to 2x bracket x square minus 1. So firstly solve first side and then solve another side. So I will take this side, x plus 2 whole cube. So is the form of a plus b whole cube. So solve a cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b plus b cube. Note this formula. It's very important formula for all of you. So now here a is equal to x and b equal to 2. Now convert. So a equal to x means x cube plus 3ab square, so 3ab square. So a is x, b square means 2 के square 4 हो जाएगा, multiplied by 4 plus 3a square b means 3a square. A square means x square, b means 2 plus b cube means 2 cube. So solve this equation. X cube plus 12x plus 3 2 is 6 x square plus 2 3 is 8. So now this equation is converted to x cube plus rearrangement करेंगे तो x cube plus 6 x cube plus 6x square then 12x then 8. Now I will take another side. So what is another side? 2x x square minus 1. 2x x square minus 1. Now simplify the bracket. 2x cube minus 2x. Now compare both sides. X cube plus square plus 12x plus 8 is one side. Then another side is 2x cube minus 2x. 2x cube minus 2x. So change this side. So now convert into 2x cube. इस x cube से सब्सट्रैक्ट होगा. So whole equation is plus 14x minus 6x square minus 8 equal to 0. So when compared with ax square plus bx plus c, so above equation is not similar to this equation due to this factor. So means it's not a quadratic equation. So remaining question of portion 1, solve this manner. If any query contact without any hesitation 7898899387 or write in comment box. Thank you for attention. Good luck. Subscribe and press bell icon for more update.